So children, in the last particular we have learned the shapes of the orbital. Today we are just going to start with the filling of electrons out of. What out of has said that. Here we will talk about the number of period. सबसे पहले हम out of period के out of principle के बारे में बात करते हैं. तो what he has said that electrons are occupied in the orbit from their lowest energy level to highest energy level. Children, we have learned that S starts with 1, P starts with 2, D starts with 3 and F starts with 4. So we learned that how the electrons are there moving from the lower energy level to higher energy level. So this was the statement he has given that electrons are going to be occupied in the orbital from the lowest energy level to the highest energy level, children. So when we talked about that arrangement, we have to draw the schematic diagram for this. So we see that how electrons are going to be occupied. It's very easy, children. It's there somewhat tough. आपको देख के अगर टफ लग सकता है, but I just show you the very simple trick. What we are doing is we are starting 1s. Why 1s? Because s starts with n is equal to 1. So 1s, then we have 2s. This start with 1s, then 2s, then 3s, then 4s, 5s. It's not sorry for the inconvenience because we don't have that much of particular. Here we have 1s, then 2s. Because we have 7 periods, so we start with 1 to 7. Then P starts with n is equal to 2. So what we are doing is 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p and 7. Now 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d. Okay. And we have 4f and 5. Now how the electron? सबसे पहले इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ जाएगा? The electron is moving to 1s, then 2s, then it is moving to 3s, then 2p, then 4s, then 3p. When we talked about 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then we'll talk about the 2s, then we have 3p, they are moving to 3p, then 4s, then 3d, then 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, then again they are moving to 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, 7s to 5f, 60, 70 and so on. So this is the particular. If you have doubt, then we are writing over here. First electron are moving to 1s. From 1s they are moving to 2s. Then they are moving to 2p, then 3p, then from 2p they are moving to 3s, then 3p, then Instead of 4s, they are moving to 3d. So we are writing that 4s, then 3d. Then I am writing over here, then moving over. Then 4p, 4p के बाद हो जाएंगे 5s. Then 4d, you can write from the diagram. Then 5p, then 6s, then 4f, then 5d, then 6p, then 7s, 5f, 6d and 7p. Then after so on. So here the electrons are going to their starts from 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, then 3d, you can see here, then 4p, you can see here, then 5s, you can see 4d, then after, then 5p, then 6x, then 4f, then 5d, then 6p, then 7s, then 5f, then 6d and 7p. So this is the electrons. So lowest energy level कौन सा हुआ 1s and highest कौन सा हुआ 7. That means they are moving from lowest to highest, lower energy level to highest energy level. So this is the rule given by Hausdorff. Now we are just moving to Pauli's exclusion. What Pauli has said that when we talked about the number of electrons, the maximum capacity of holding of any of the orbital, that is 2, not more than 2. That what you have to write about Pauli. Pauli's exclusion has said about, Pauli's rule has said about that any orbital can only occupy 2 electrons. कोई भी ऑर्बिटल है तो वो कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रखेंगे 2. That means when we talked about orbital, see over here in 12th class orbital is there going to be represented by square bracket. तो अपने आप में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन रख सकता है 2 in their opposite speed. You can see here one is up speed, one is down speed, that means plus half and minus. So that was the rule given by Pauli, that if the particular electrons are going to be accommodated, then electrons are going to be accommodated in such kind of manner that each orbital are getting only 2 electrons, not more than 2 electrons. That means ये एक ऑर्बिटल का होगा. अगर सबशेल्स है तो क्या करेंगे, तो सबशेल्स में भी क्या होगा, when we talked about P, so Ps, Px, Py and Pz. So Px also containing 2 electrons, not more than 2. Then it is shifting to the Py 1 electron and then Pz 1 electron. Thereafter it is going to be there filled up with 2 electrons. So that would given by Hunds. So what Hunds has said that the particular subcells, they are holding one electron in the same spin and then they are occupying the remaining electron in their opposite spin. So that was the rule given by Hunds. So what Pauli has said that any of the orbitals only have capacity to holding the electrons, that is 2, not more than 2. If they have the subshells, then also subshells are also having holding 2 electrons, not more than 2. That means 2px also containing 2 electrons, 2py also containing 2 electrons, 2pz also containing 2 electrons. But if the number of electrons is 5, then what to do for this particular? That was given by Hunds. Hunds has said that the very first electrons are then occupying in the subshells that are in the particular upspin manner, that are in the same direction. That means all the particular orbital are first occupying with one electron in the same speed, and then remaining particular electrons are occupying in the respective orbitals. That means what he has said that when we talk about the px orbital, अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन की बात करते हैं तो p orbital contain maximum 6 electrons. because each of the suborbital px contain 2 electrons, py contain 2 electrons and pz contain 2 electrons. अब अगर यहाँ पे मुझे 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अकोमोडेट करवाने हैं 2px, this is 2px orbital, that is 2py orbital and this is 2pz orbital. But जब भी हम लोग p orbital लिखेंगे, there is a suborbital. So what we are doing is we are writing by this particular. So now the electrons are accommodating in such kind of manner that each of the orbital contain electron, one electron in the same spin and then remaining. Now here how many electrons we have? 5. So thereafter the particular remaining electrons are there in their opposite spin. So that is the rule given by Hertz. So this is the particular 3 rules which we have to learn for the particular occupying of the electrons in the respective orbitals. So in the exam, if it is going to be like question like that, you have to write the electronic configuration in the manner of atomic orbital. So we have to degenerate the orbitals in a square bracket. We directly not write that 1s1, 2s1, whatever the particular electronic configuration we are going to learn from 1 to 30 elements. हमें 1 से 30 एलिमेंट की एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन हमें सीखनी है. So that was all about Pauli's exclusion and Hund's rule. Aubach ने क्या बोला है इलेक्ट्रॉन के बारे में? That whenever we talked about the electrons, that at the time whatever the electrons are going to be filled, they are filling from the lower energy level orbital to higher energy level orbital. That means he has given the order for the rearrangement of the particular electrons in the orbital, that is 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, then 3d, then 4p, 5s, 4d, up to so on. He has given the particular. So according to that we are moving. Then what Pauli's has said that whenever the electrons are there, according to the rule of Pauli, he said that only 2 electrons are going to be accommodated in their opposite spin. But whenever it is about the substance, at the time Hans has said that whatever the substance are there, they are accommodating one electron each, and then after whatever the remaining of electrons, they are accommodating with their different spin. So different directional spin. So that is all about the rules for the electronic configuration for the atomic orbital. We see one of the example over here. We take how the electrons are going to be accommodated by the atomic orbital diagram. Children, we have to learn till 1s, 2s and 3s and 4s we have to learn. But exam में 1 to 20 तक ही होगा. 21 to 30 you have to just further on in 12th class. So here when we talked about atomic orbital diagram, अगर हम बात करते हैं, so very first atom is hydrogen. चलो हाइड्रोजन के पास number of electron is 1. So what we are doing is we are having only one orbital, that is 1s. 1s के बाद वो कहाँ पे जाएगा? 2p के ऑर्बिटल में लिखनी है. 2p के बाद 3s, 2s, 1s, then the electrons are going to be there in 2s, 1s, 2s, 2p, then 3s. Now एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल डायग्राम होगा 1s. तो यहाँ पे इसके साथ आप लिख सकते हो 1s 1. बट अगर हाइड्रोजन आयन का पूछा है तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? हाइड्रोजन आयन H माइनस. माइनस क्या इंडिकेट करता है? गेन द इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन तो उसके पास है, उसने क्या किया? एक इलेक्ट्रॉन और गेन किया है. सो हियर नाउ द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन फॉर हाइड्रोजन आयन इज 1s 2. तो इसका क्या हो गया? एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल डायग्राम फॉर हाइड्रोजन. हाइड्रोजन के बाद कौन सा आता है? हीलियम. सो व्हाट वी आर राइटिंग ओवर हियर इज हीलियम. हीलियम के पास नाउ हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स? 2. सो हियर हीलियम इज having 1s 2 because s is containing 2 electrons. So that is the electronic configuration for helium. Helium के बाद lithium. So what we are doing is lithium. lithium के पास 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन. अब मेरे पास है 1s2, बाकी बचा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे जाएगा 2s में, सो 1s2 2s. So instead of writing this, you can also write that. After what we are using, because helium is the particular noble gas. Helium, after lithium, what we have? Beryllium. When we talked about, we have beryllium. Beryllium has 4 electrons, so 1s2, 2s2. So this is the particular atomic orbital diagram for beryllium. Beryllium के बाद we have the fifth one, that is boron. So what we are doing for boron? Boron is containing 5 electrons. Now we have 1s2, 2s2. Now 2s के बाद कहाँ पे जाएगा वो 2p में. So what we are writing is 2p1. अब 2p के पास 2px है, 2py and 2pz. So यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 2px1. Getting children? So this is the way how we are going to do the arrangement of the electrons in the orbital. अभी तक जो हमने सीखा था वो है K, L, M, N, all about. So that is all about 1 to 5 elements, respective elements we are doing in the next lecture. Kindly copy this if you want to copy this order. If you want to copy, then you can copy it.